Hey guys, I'm here again fulfilling my low carb fufu recipes promises. Hey. If you do not like the taste of cabbage fufu, then you should go for cauliflower fufu. Cauliflower fufu has similar texture to cabbage fufu, but it is tasteless, hence much closer to the taste of classic fufu meals. Everything I've already said about these low carb fufu meals is true for cauliflower fufu. Please go check out the other videos for more information. The link should pop up on the screen right now. Cauliflower is a vegetable and can be purchased in big supermarkets in Nigeria. It is quite expensive in Nigeria, so if you don't want to buy it, prepare cabbage fufu. I'll be using 6 florets of cauliflower for this demonstration. Cut them into small pieces to help your blender. I do not add the fibrous stalk. As always, blend with just enough water to help the blades of your blender move. Pour into a chiffon cloth, a muslin bag, or a washed brand new pillowcase. As always, I pile on my mountain of weight to help press out the water. While we are waiting for the water to seep out, let me introduce you to the binders. Cauliflower is gluten-free and contains only 5 grams of carbohydrates per 100 grams. So I'll be using Psyllium husk to bind the cauliflower so that we'll be able to mold it into fufu balls when eating. You can also use Xanthan Gum. Please read up on these 2 ingredients to make sure that they are good for you before you use them. After about 30 minutes, untie it and put in a pot. When it heats up, keep stirring for 7 more minutes. Then add half a teaspoon of Psyllium husk. If you are using Xanthan Gum, add a quarter of a teaspoon. Keep stirring for another 2 minutes or till the cauliflower forms a dough. Wrap with a plastic film. This plastic helps keep it moldable. If you do not wrap it like this, the malleability of the cauliflower fufu will be compromised. If you're on a strict low-carb diet like keto, you must serve this fufu with a keto-friendly Nigerian soup. I'll put a list in the description of this video. But if you're like me, you're not ketoing, you just want to reduce your carb intake here and there, you can serve it with any Nigerian soup for fufu meals. Enjoy!